In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set UIP two-factor authenticator for Stripe. Enabling two-step authentication adds a critical layer of security to your account, so even if someone gets your password, they can sign in without your second factor. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard. In the top right corner, click your Profile or Settings menu and choose Personal Details. This area houses your account level security controls, so it's the right place to manage how you sign in. Find the two-step authentication section and click Add Authentication Method. Stripe supports several options, and you can set up more than one for extra redundancy. For the Authenticator app method, which is recommended, select it and you'll see a QR code. Open an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo Mobile on your phone, add a new account, and scan the QR code shown in Stripe. If scanning isn't available, here is usually a setup key you can enter manually. Your app will start generating time-based one-time codes. Type the current code into Stripe to confirm. If you ever see code errors, check your phone's time settings and ensure it's set to update automatically. If you prefer SMS, choose Add SMS. Enter your mobile number and Stripe will text you a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code to finish. SMS is convenient and better than nothing, but it can be less secure than an Authenticator app. So consider using it as a backup rather than your primary method. For a hardware-based option, select Security Key. Follow the on-screen instructions to register a physical key, such as a USB or NFC device. You'll be prompted to insert or tap the key and confirm. Hardware keys are extremely strong because the secret never leaves the device. If possible, register a second key and store it safely so you have a spare. After choosing your method, finalize the setup by entering the verification code prompted by Stripe. Then Stripe will provide a backup code. This is essential. Save it in a secure place, like a trusted password manager or a printed copy stored safely. Avoid screenshots or unprotected notes. If your device is lost or unavailable, this backup code can get you back into your account. That's it. You've added a powerful safeguard to your Stripe login. Consider enabling at least 2 methods for resilience, and do a quick sign out and sign in test to confirm everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching.